What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. As you can see, my No Shave November is going pretty well. I'm looking forward to kind of shaving it and doing something different here soon. So, it's been 14 days since I've last been in the worm bin, and I have no idea how they're looking. I did, when I got home, go downstairs and look in on them just to make sure that it wasn't completely dried up or anything. But I never looked or moved any bedding around, so right now is going to be the first time I'm seeing it along with you. So let's go ahead and check it out, and I got a special treat for the worms today. So let's hop right in and see how everything's looking. We got a couple guys right on the surface. I'm going to take this out. So the feeding was there. Oh, still got my egg carton. Oh, still got a little worm action happening. Well, at least the paper held on to that moisture. Get that guy out of there. Ooh, this side here is a little drier, but I did not have that covered with the bubble wrap. But down below is moist, so just the top dried out. Oh, this was the pineapple. Oh yeah. Well, at least they're hanging out and eating. And then this was a chunk of apple I threw in just to make sure that they had enough food. Some long-term food. I'll definitely put this around the feeding area again. Yeah, so underneath definitely has a nice moisture content to it. I guess I'll keep the older feeding over that way. Bring those two into the center. And here's what I get to feed them. Some pumpkin. So we have frozen pumpkin. I'm going to go ahead and top it with a little ground up eggshell. And then carefully cover over with the castings. Cover up that old stuff. And then now I have the whole bin covered in bubble wrap again. So hopefully the top won't dry out quite as much. But now it'll be around, so if it does, I can always add a little water. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Have a great day.